If you want some true nail art press-ons, you're going to love these press-ons I got from Chill Tips. What I love is this is a women-owned brand, and they make all different styles in all different shapes. So you really can find what's best for you. And then the plastic itself is that correct texture and thickness for me. Sometimes I get press-ons that are too thick or not rounded enough, or they are just way too thin and flimsy, and these really do feel just right once on. Now the glue is solid, but it's not as strong as some of the press-on glues I've used. You really do need to give it the time it needs to push it down and make sure each nail is fully dried before you move on to the next one. But if you are patient, these really do hold on beautifully, and I just love the way they wrap around my fingernails. They look a lot more natural than a lot of press-ons do, even though they are clearly artistic press-ons. I also really love this specific pattern. I think it looked really good on my fingers, held up beautifully. These are great. The Chillhouse Chill Tips.